At the Bitcoin price in a 4 hour, 1 hour, and 1 day time frame. Starting with the 4 hour time frame, um, if you recall, if people watched my previous video, we were in this channel right here, this orange channel right here, where the price was going up and down. It was around, fell into this range. We're into the yellow box, which was the previous um, support range. In that support range, it actually bounced back and went above the channel, this downwards channel, so quite a bullish sign. However, we're still within a larger channel, so we have a larger downward sloping trend line. So first we have the green one right here, which has been ever obeyed about at least 4 times here. So currently 1, 2, 3, 4, still within that range. So if Bitcoin wants to say move up the price, it has to break this channel and maybe continue on. However, there's also one more channel that it actually, one more trend line that it's actually broken. So we had this extremely long white downwards trend line, and it's sadly have the Bitcoin price has kind of broken the trend line, and it's actually finding support on that new trend line. So, like I said before, when a previous resistance becomes new support. So this is the case right now with this white trend line. However, now if we look at the hourly candles, we can see that Bitcoin's in uptrend. This was the low that I made in the previous video. So it broke this white line resistance, which was before support. Then it fell down, and it broke its resistance and found support on it right here. It also broke the previous support and resistance line. This was a resistance line for this point right here, and it was support for 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Finally broke that out, and it's quite a bullish move. And now is in the upwards yellow trend line, following its line. However, there's still this green line right here, which still hasn't failed to break. So maybe if it breaks it, you can see, let's say, it's also in, I'll just extend this. This could be ascending triangle here. So if the Bitcoin price can go up like this, and then break it, and then find support on this line, then we can say it's quite bullish. And one way to tell the potential target point is the height of the line right here, roughly. We take that, we move it over to a potential breakout point, let's say about here, and the target for that would be $34,000 if it plays out. And the target doesn't always have to happen, it's just a technical analysis target. One other bullish sign is that there was a previous resistance point right here, which was also resistance right here, but then flipped into support. So now it's standing on that previous resistance line. So now one more thing that I wanted to show was the Keltner channel on the daily time frame. So the Keltner channel throughout Bitcoin's entire bull run has been a strong support line to keep Bitcoin up. So we had this bull run starting in around November. So let me just do that. Around November, the Keltner channel has 3 different lines: the top, the middle, and the bottom line. Ever since the bull run, we can see it's always been going up through the top line. When it fell down to about 28K around February, the bottom Keltner line acted as strong support. Same thing here. As soon as the price went above the top Keltner line and fell back down, the bottom Keltner line acted as support. Same here. And however, once it broke down through the bottom Keltner line, the top Keltner level became a resistance zone. And after that, the price had fallen. And right now, we are currently we're in a downwards trend with roughly the middle Keltner line acting as resistance. So if Bitcoin can move above this point and make the top Keltner line act as support, and maybe go above the top Keltner line, then we may see bullish signs. However, it still needs to pass a few key points, like this key point right here, and this one right here, because this one has been going ever since January. So these 2 points are crucial. So if Bitcoin one day go up through these points, 1 second, go up through these points, maybe find support here, breaks out, find support here, goes up, and we might see another bull run. And that's it.